This tutorial will show you how to request a copy of your IRS tax return transcript using the IRS's online Get Transcript tool. In order to complete the request online, you will need your Social Security number, date of birth, and the filing status and mailing address from your most recent tax return, access to a personal email account, the account number from a credit card, mortgage, home equity loan, home equity line of credit, or car loan in your name, and a cell phone with your name on the account. If you do not have this information or are unable to make your request online, you can complete a paper request by mail. To begin, access the IRS Get Transcript tool at www.irs.gov/individuals/get-transcript. Then, click the Get Transcript Online button. In order to access your transcript online, you'll first need to create an online account with the IRS. Click Get Started to begin the process of creating your account. On the next page, click Continue. Then, click Yes to confirm that you have access to all of the required personal information, an account number from a personal financial account, and a mobile phone in your name. Now, enter your first and last name as they appeared on your most recent tax return, as well as a valid personal email address. After clicking Send Code, open up your email in a separate window to access your secure confirmation code. Type in the confirmation code from the email you received and click Continue. You must access the email and enter the code within 15 minutes. Next, you'll confirm your personal information to verify your identity. Enter your date of birth, Social Security number, and select your filing status from your most recent federal tax return. Examples of filing statuses include single, married filing jointly, and head of household. When you enter your address, make sure to use the address listed on your last filed tax return, even if you have moved. Your entries for this section must match the information on your last filed tax return exactly. Once you've provided your personal information, click Continue. Next, enter the requested information from your credit card, auto loan, mortgage, or home equity loan. The account must be in your name for this step. Once you've provided the account information, click Continue. The IRS will now send you a text message with an activation code for your online account. Enter your cell phone number here. Please note that only US-based cell phones may be used and that your name must be associated with the mobile phone account. Landlines, Skype, Google Voice, or other virtual phones, as well as phones associated with pay-as-you-go plans, cannot be used. Once you've entered your full phone number with area code, click the Send Message button. Within a few minutes, you'll receive a text message from the IRS with your activation code. Enter that code and click Continue. You're now ready to create your online IRS user profile. Enter a username and password, and select a site image and site phrase. You'll then receive a message that your account has been created successfully. You're now ready to access your transcript. Select Higher Education/Student Aid from the drop-down menu and click the Go button. To access your tax return transcript, click on 2015 in the Return Transcript box. A pop-up will appear with your transcript. If you do not see the transcript, make sure your pop-up blocker is disabled. You now have the document that you need to submit as part of the verification process. To ensure that your paperwork is processed as quickly as possible, write your 10-digit university ID number on all of the pages, including any parent or spouse documents which may not list your name. Then, scan and email the documents to finaid@iupui.edu or fax the documents to 317-274-3664. Should you have any questions or concerns about your IRS tax return transcript or any other part of the verification process, please contact our office at finaid@iupui.edu for help.